But I'm gonna start attacking this harness. You know, I can't afford that 400, 500 for no harness. So it's what you call a real budget. LTSwap.com. They give good, good info, everything you need to know on how to do it yourself. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to Mr. Griffin 23. You know what I'm saying? Check him out. But it's this one cat. You know what I'm saying? You can do it too. He got a lot of information on. I mean, he really break it down real easy. It's real simple. It just depends on what you're trying to do, what you're trying to run. You want to try to keep everything in a certain location. You know what I'm saying? So it'll lay right back down on the motor where it's supposed to go. Won't have no complications or difficulties with that. But yeah, I just want to let you know that's what I'm up to right now. You know what I'm saying? Still trying to get it going. All right.